Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering WASSCE 2020 Physics Past Question, question 41. A ray of light travels obliquely from a less dense medium to a denser medium. Which of the following statement is true about the light? A. The wavelength of the light increases in the second medium. B. The speed of the light increases in the second medium. C. The light refracts towards the normal. And D. There is a change in the frequency of the light. Now, when a ray of light travels from a less dense medium, let's assume the less dense medium is air, and then the denser medium is glass. So we'll have something like this. Let's assume this is our rectangular glass block. Now this is air, and this is glass, the denser medium. Now let's assume we have a normal ray. Let's call this a normal ray, and a ray of light passes obliquely from the less dense medium, which is the air, to the denser medium, which is the glass. Now it will be observed that this ray here is known as the incident ray. We call it the incident ray, and this angle is the angle of incidence. Angle of incidence. Now, as this ray of light passes from a less dense medium, which is the air, to a denser medium, which is glass, this ray of light will bend towards the normal. It will bend towards the normal, so that the angle will be lower than the angle of incidence. Now this phenomenon is what we call refraction. Refraction occurs when light rays bend, that is, change in direction of the ray of light as it's passing different media of different densities. Now it is said that this light ray has been refracted towards the normal, and we call this the refracted ray. And this angle, we call it the angle of refraction. Angle of refraction. Now if it was that the ray of light was traveling from a denser medium, which is the glass, to a less dense medium, now it will move far away from the normal. That is, the ray will move away from the normal. But because it is moving from a less dense medium to a denser medium, it is moving towards the normal. That means the ray of light has been refracted because there is a change in density of the medium. Now the wavelength won't be affected, the speed won't be affected, neither will the frequency be affected, but the direction of this wave will be affected, and that is refraction. And the ray of light, because it is moving from a less dense to a denser medium, it will move, the ray of light will move, or will be refracted towards the normal ray, and this is the normal ray. And that is why the angle of refraction is lower than the angle of incidence when ray of light moves from a less dense medium to a denser medium. So the answer to this question is option C. The light refracts towards the normal. That's the answer to this question. Thank you, and you should subscribe to our channel for more videos.